giving you the textual questions and the LQs
Call is now being recorded.
number 13. Okay? Today is your exam, isn't it? Hope you are well prepared. Girls, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
We're
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
start with a new chapter, lesson number 14, electric current and its effects. So once again, good morning, all of you. Good morning, beta. Hello. Girls, can you hear me?
Morning.
So we are going to start with electricity, current and its effect. Let's start with electric circuit. Yes, beta. Start reading.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure. Give me your name. No, just give me your name. If one said,
Ma'am, can
then the
I?
other one should wait, beta. Okay? Okay, Sakina Bhimani,
Sa-
start.
Sakina Bimani.
It is circuit,
Electric
beta.
current. An
Hello,
electric
it is
current
a
is a closed
circuit.
path through which the electric circuit electric circuit is a closed path through which the electric current can flow. Necessary conditions. It must have a source of electric current. A circuit should be closed a continuous path.
Fine. Now, what is electric circuit? Now, we say electric current, but electric current is moving in an electrical circuit. It's a closed unit. So, it is a closed path. For example, it moves here, then goes here, like this, and then the bulb glows. Then the bulb glows. So, this is a closed path. So, the electricity has to pass through the circuit, then only we get the current. So, what are the conditions for it to follow? One is the electric current. From where you get that? First is the source, and second is we should have a circuit. Then and then only we can get the fan working, we can get the light working. You understand? Until the path is closed, if the path is open, for example, if the circuit is open, you will not get the light on, you will not get the fan working. Do you understand? So the circuit has to be closed, then and then only we can see light glowing, we can see fan working. Do you understand? This much have you understood? That's the reason that I've taken this as a first slide. I've not taken the electrical current as such. So you understand? The electrical current is moving through the circuit, is moving through the circuit, is moving through the circuit. Okay? Is moving through the circuit, and then only we can see the lights glowing and the fan working. Okay, beta? Have you understood this much? So, the electricity, if there's a switch, it passes through the wires and the bulb starts glowing, and this makes the circuit. If there's a break, then it will not glow. You understand? This is called a circuit. We do it again, you will understand a better manner. Please. Yes, who was the next one? Who wanted to read? Girls?
Can I?
Yeah. Name?
Rupani Zainab.
Okay, Janab. Please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Electric current.
Certificate, beta.
Electric, electric circuit. Electric circuit is a path in which electric current flows from a source across various components. Electric circuit diagram is a diagrammatic representation of electric circuit.
Just now what I showed you, like this diagram, like this, like
Yes.
this, like this. What is this? This is a diagrammatic representation. And the whole thing is called as electric circuit. You understand?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Something new I'm teaching you, beta. Okay? So we are going to learn lots of varied aspects, lots of different things in this chapter. What are these? Because you know what is electricity, isn't it? That's why I did not begin with electricity. You know what is electricity? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm teaching you something different. Now we'll see what electricity is made up of. Rather, what are the electrical components? Please continue.
Okay, ma'am. Electric components. The various parts, elements that are used to make an electric circuit are called electric components. Example: cell, battery, connecting wires, bulb, switch, etc. Battery is a combination of two or more cells.
Now, in electric circuit, the things that we are taking in electric circuit, what I showed you just now, this is the wire, yes or no?
Yes.
This is the bulb, yes?
Yes.
Then this is the cell, and
Yes.
this is the key. So this is the wire, this is the bulb, this is the cell, and this is the key. So these are the components which make the electric circuit. Now here what you say is cell. If it is this much and this much, this is cell. But if I add another cell, then this becomes, what it becomes, beta? Hello, what it becomes?
What, ma'am?
You don't hear me? I said this is a cell. But if I add another cell, it becomes
Battery.
battery. You understand now? So battery is a combination of
Two
maybe
cells.
many cells, but more than one cell has to be added, then only it becomes battery. So now you got the difference between cell and a battery?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood?
Yes.
Now you're going to learn more about circuit. Please start.
A simple circuit contains number one, sources of electric current. Number two, key.
Now this is cell, Duracell. You can see Duracell written over here.
Yes.
Yes. So it could be either cell or a battery. Agree?
Yes.
All of you agree, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what is this key used for? To make the circuit closed or open. You agree? If the
Yes,
circuit
ma'am.
is closed, I can see the light glowing. If the circuit is open, the light will not glow. Understand?
Yes.
These are the two components that you have read. Now let's see the third one. What is it, beta?
Number three, conducting wire.
Conducting.
Conducting wire. Number
Fourth
four.
one.
Number four, an electric device.
You understood? So these are the wires. Now, why have they used the word conducting, beta? Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of conducting? Someone's mic is on. Yes, why are we using the word conducting wire? I can very well use wire. Why have I used conducting wire? Because in this case, we are concerned with conductors through which the electricity can pass. Remember, electricity can pass only through conductors and not through insulators. I hope you remember that. You agree? Yes. So the electricity cannot pass through insulator. If I'm using a wire made up of insulator, do you think it will pass? The electricity will pass? No. And that's why it is mentioned as conducting wire. The wire which conducts electricity has to be used. Any problem? Any problem, beta? Yes? So that's the reason we use conducting wire through which electricity can pass. And when electricity passes, we see the bulb glowing. Yes? So this is an electric device. How do we know that the circuit is working or not? By this mechanism. If the bulb starts glowing, you know that the circuit is complete. Now see over here. These are the components of the circuit. What is this one? First one, beta?
Switch.
Switch. So you can see the switch like this. I think you know this. This is switch. Are you
Yes.
aware of it? Okay.
Yes.
You're aware of it. Then I will show you types of battery and cells. See, this one is a cell. This is also a cell, and this is a battery.
Battery.
Yes or no? You
Yes.
understood now? So you can see the battery and the see these small cells. What you see over here, you get it in the watch. Have you ever observed? In the watch,
Yes.
you get these small cells. Okay, fine. Now we come to wires. Can you see these wires, beta?
Yes.
These are the wires. Someone's mic is on again, and this is the bulb. Hope you have understood it nicely. The difference between cell and battery, the conducting wire and the usual wire. Yes, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will show you how this electric circuit looks like. Now, first I will complete the whole circuit and then I will take part by part. Okay, beta? These are the conducting wires, the one which I am showing. Can you see me drawing, beta? Yes,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
red color. Can you see the red colored marking?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what is it, beta? Wire. What is it, beta?
Wire.
Wire. Agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Second, I will take it as, what is this? Bulb. What is it?
Bulb.
Bulb. Then you can see this switch. What is it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch. The switch. Please put off your mic. This is switch. Now this is open. You can see this is open. If it becomes like this, then it is closed. Now when it is open, this will not glow. If it is closed, then it will start glowing. You understood? Have you understood? Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now there are two ways, it's written over here. One is electron flow. Now this is negative. Can you see this? This is battery. Can you see this battery beta?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a battery. Actually, it should be cell because there's only one. This is the small one is negative and the big line is positive, right? This is how you have to remember. The small one is negative and the big one is positive. Got it? Got it, beta? The small is always negative and the big one is positive. This is how you have to remember. Okay. Now, if I say that, then the current will flow from where? From the negative, isn't it? Current flows from the negative because it is electrons. So, the movement of the flow should be like this. But, so this is electron flow. Electricity is electron. But the conventional current flow is the opposite. You can see this over here? Because the switch is making the current flow. You understand? Do you understand better? Girls, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Why so quiet from your side today? We'll do some more circuit. Now this is a switch. You agree? You can put it on and off. These
Yes.
are the wires. These are the wires. You agree? The
Yes.
conducting wires. Okay. This is the bulb, the light bulb. So what is happening? What is
Light.
happening? The electricity is converted to light and heat because when you touch the bulb, it is hot, isn't it?
Yes.
Whenever you touch a bulb, it is hot. So the energy, the electricity is converted to light and heat. Yes. And from where the energy is coming? From the cell. What is inside the cell? Chemical energy. What is inside the cell, beta?
Chemical energy.
Chemical energy. Okay. So now one by one we'll see. What is this? Cell. The cell has got which energy? Chemical energy.
Chemical.
Now, this chemical energy is converted to
Chemical energy.
electrical. Yes, it is converted to. Can you see this over here? So the black wire, it was a black wire over here, but now here it becomes red wire because it is conducting. Got it? And this here the switch is on, and hence we get a glowing bulb. If the switch becomes off, the bulb will not glow. Okay, so what we see that this chemical energy with the help of electricity is converted into light and heat energy. Do you follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we say that in electrical circuit we cannot write battery, we cannot write wires, we cannot write bulb, conducting wires, big words. So instead we will be writing symbols. What are we going to do? We are going to denote it by symbols. Please go through it.
Electric
Can I
symbols.
read?
Yes, beta. Who is it?
Almas.
Almas. Okay, Almas. Zainab, is it okay if Almas take on?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, beta. Yes, Almas.
Electric symbols, as it is cumbersome to show
Cumbersome.
the elect
Very good.
cumbersome to show the electric components in a circuit diagram. They are denoted to represented by specific symbols.
Or. They're denoted or.
Are denoted or represented by specific symbols. These are known as electric symbols.
Now, as it is cumbersome, what is the meaning of cumbersome? Heavy, difficult. That is the meaning of cumbersome. So you got a new word, beta? Girls, you got a new word?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Use it in your vocabulary now. So cumbersome is painstaking process, very difficult and very unusual. So you cannot show the electrical components in a circuit diagram by writing down their names. It becomes very difficult. So what we do? We denote it by specific symbols. It becomes easy. So these symbols are known as electrical symbols. See over here. One by one we'll see. The first one is what?
Cell.
What do you see in the first one? Cell. The first one is cell. Second one is battery.
Battery.
So you can see there are two cells. You agree? This is one and this is two. There are two cells, isn't there, in the battery? What do you say? It's like this and this and this. So there are two cells. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
The third one is switch. So what is this shows? It is open. What it shows, beta? It is open. If it becomes like this, what will it say? Yeah. So it is closed. Okay? Fine. Now there are other apparatus, devices that we put in the circuit. The first one is, what is beta?
Voltmeter.
Voltmeter. So this is V. The second one is
Ammeter.
ammeter. This is A. So we find out about volts and we find out about current. I is current by ammeter. What is this? Third one,
Resistor.
resistor. Next one is
Variable resistor.
variable resistor. So when you put this arrow on top, it becomes a variable. This is not in your portion again, I'm saying, but this is how you will improve when you go in 8th standard. Okay, I'm just freshening you up that you have heard about it. In 8th standard, most of the things I've taught you from 8th standard. So now the 8th standard is going to be very easy for you to understand. Okay, beta? Because I'm giving you some extra informations always. What is this? The last one, beta?
Lamp.
So these are the
Lamp.
symbols that we'll be using in the circuit. Because see, all these are big cell, battery, switch, voltmeter. You can write all these things in the circuit diagram. The voltmeter, the ammeter, the resistor, all these words can you write in the circuit beta diagram? No. So instead we'll be making it short and sweet. Okay, by using the symbol. Again, we are going to use the circuit symbols. What is this beta? Can you read it properly?
Switch.
Yes.
Open.
Okay, so this is open, switch is open, and this is switch is, what is that? Switch is closed because this is a straight line. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is power supply. The power supply could be cell or battery. Yes or no? Hello. Power supply could be cell or a battery. You agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is, this one is bulb, this is voltmeter, and the third one is ammeter. This we have already read. Now, this is one cell. How many cells are over here? One, two, three. So how many cells are there? Three cells. The three cells makes this battery. This is a resistor, and you put an arrow, it becomes a variable resistor. So I hope now the things are very clear to you regarding the symbols. Girls, if you don't understand, you can ask me right away.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any problems? Hello, do you have any problem, Beta,
No, ma'am.
in understanding this circuit symbols?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
You have problems?
No.
No.
So see, everything is new to you, Beta. You have never studied all these things, but do you find it digestible, like understandable, or you find it difficult? Now we are interested in closed circuit by which the electricity moves and we can see the bulb glowing. We're not interested in open circuit because when it is open, the circuit is not complete and we don't get the bulb, I mean the glowing bulb. Okay, so we are mostly interested in closed circuit. Please read.
Can I read?
Yes, beta. What's your name?
When the path of current start from one
Terminal. Terminal.
terminal of the cell and ends at other terminal of cell without any break, the circuit is called complete circuit.
So what is it? The current path, the route of the current. It starts from one end and goes to the other end without any stop, without any hurdles, without any break, then that circuit is called as closed circuit or complete circuit. And then we will see the bulb glowing. You understood?
Yes.
Yes? So what is it? From one end, this is one end, this is the other end, and goes, it's complete. So from one terminal to the other terminal, there is no gap, there is no break. That is called as closed circuit, and the bulb will start glowing. You understand? But if there is a break, then it is a open circuit. Understood, beta? Now see open circuit. You will understand better. Read better.
Open circuit. When the path of circuit is broken, the circuit is called open circuit.
Now the path is broken. For example, now I'm going to ask you a question. Where do you find the path is broken, beta? Tell me, where do you find the path is broken in this circuit? Give me the name. Can anyone? Yes, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
You heard my question? I said, where the path is broken in this circuit?
From the switch.
Exactly, from the switch, you can see. It is not making a complete line and the bulb will not glow. You understand? Well done, better. So the circuit itself shows that whether the circuit is complete or open or closed. Okay? Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, domestic circuit system. What is the meaning of domestic? The system that we are using at home. What is domestic, beta? The system, the circuit system which are used at home is called as domestic circuit system. You understand? The first one that we are going to talk about is series. The connection is in series. What do you say? The connection is in series. Okay? Please read.
Series connection. Each device is connected in such a way that there is only one path to flow from electric current.
Okay. So, series means what? Every device, every unit is connected in such a manner that there is only one road or one path to flow. What is flowing actually? Electricity, the electric current. So series is placed in such a way that the devices are placed in such a manner in series that there is only one path for the electric current to flow. Okay? See over here? This is series. Now this is a battery, agree? And this is a switch. It is closed. It is a closed circuit, isn't it, Vita? And all of them are glowing because it's a closed circuit. Agree? Hello?
Yes.
You agree?
Yes,
And all of them are
Yes.
in one line. Can you see this? They are in one line. Yes or no? All the now if this bulb I can put it here also. I can put it here also. Yes or no? Instead of putting it down, I can put it like this. Can I?
no,
Huh? Can I put it or can't I? I can. And from here I can put the wire. So I can put it like this and I can put it in a straight line also. That's why it is called as series. What it is called, beta?
series.
Series. You understand now? All of you?
Yes.
So this is a series circuit. Okay? Now let's show the explanation of series connection. Please start.
Of series connection. All
Characteristic.
devices work
Read it again. Characteristic. Say.
characteristic of series
Very good. Very
connection.
good. Yes. So what are the
All,
features of series connection? Read.
all device work in all all device
All
work see
devices. Hello. It is not device. It is devices. Be
all
careful.
devices work simulate
Simultaneously.
simultaneous
Simultaneously. Simultaneously. Read with me.
simultaneously in
Simultaneously. Very good. Well tried.
in a series connection when the switch is closed.
That is turned on. So what does it mean? Can you explain? Or can anyone explain that all devices work? What is the meaning of devices, by the way? Hello, what is the meaning of devices? Can anyone try? Yes, girls. What is the meaning of devices over here? Do you know or don't you? Miss Almas, Zainab,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Do you know what are the devices that we're talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. What are devices? Hello.
Bulb, tube light, and that all.
Exactly. The bulb, the switch, the ammeter, voltmeter, cell, battery, conducting wires, all these are devices. Now they are working simultaneously together. What is the meaning of simultaneously? They are working together in a series connection when the switch is turned on. That means when the circuit is closed. This much have you understood? Hello, have you understood this much better?
Yes,
Now the second one. Read.
series connection require less wire and are thus economically
Thus,
good. Thus,
series connection. Thank you. Series connection, they require less wires. So people opt for it because economically it is viable. Economically it is cheap. So because we don't have to spend more on wires. Next.
also all device stop working when switch is open. If anyone is stopped working, then others also stop working.
So what is the best part of series? That if one device does not work, then the others will also not work. You understand? Hello?